Take note of these two common mistakes that you might be making in your house. One is overlooking regular maintenance.
You think say they're wise?
Cleaning of your gutters. Overlooking your AC filters. You know that when you close your windows and doors, you are breathing the air from the AC. But when you don't check it up regularly, you don't even know if the air you are breathing in is normal or already contaminated. Checking for molds on your wall or other surfaces in your house. Checking for leakages. For example, you make use of taps that help to rush water in your house, but sometimes they are always having leakage, but we don't even care to check them.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up.
All these things can lead to further damages in the house. Then, number 2 common mistake is neglecting home security. Now, most of us, we don't need to turn on the lights outside our environment. I don't know the reason why.
You think it's a joke?
Another one is installing smart locks. Smart locks will help to increase your chances of having extra security in your environment. Okay, having said all this, how then do you improve these 2 mistakes you might have made before? The first one is you get a handyman service to fix everything. You can get it on our e-commerce store. The second one on security, you can actually get a home automator service provider still on our e-commerce platform. Just log into our e-commerce website and get in service providers and you are good to go.